Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorials. Today we'll be cooking the duck juice as we did that a couple of days ago. Before doing that, I would like to mention three simple rules for that. First one is we never season the juice with the salt before reducing it. Second one, we never cover the juice. And the third one, we always deglaze with the cold water. Now when we know these three rules, we can go to realize our duck juice. So our pan is nice and hot. We're gonna add some olive oil. You can use the normal canola oil if you don't have olive oil. It's also okay. It should be really hot pan. This way we can caramelize very good our bones. Here we have our leftovers of the duck. We're gonna put everything inside. So we will let it caramelize for around 7 or 10 minutes. We want them really nice, caramelized to golden brown, just like this. We can add our garniture aromatique or aromatic garnish. That includes carrots, celery, onions, shallots, and fennel. We're gonna add everything and we're gonna mix. And we're gonna continue roasting for another like 15 minutes. So guys, when it's like this, it means that it's ready. You can see the vegetables are very roasted. The bones are very nice and golden brown color caramelized. Here in this stage we're gonna deglaze it with the white wine, around 100 milliliters of white wine also for this quantity. So deglaze it and we're gonna wait until our wine is gonna evaporate. So here our wine is evaporated, you can see. Now we're gonna cover it with our vegetable stock, called vegetable stock, and bring it to the boil. So as you can see here we arrived to the boiling, our juice is boiling. We're gonna remove the foam, skim off the foam, and then add our aromatic garniture. Here we skimmed off our foam. We're gonna add this quantity of white pepper just to infuse our bouquet garni just here inside, and we're gonna let it reduce for around half hour or 20 minutes, and then we're gonna sieve it. So here we sieved first time. That's what we got, as you can see, not a lot. We're gonna sieve it second time. Then we're gonna reduce it a little bit more. Just around 3 to 4 minutes to make it demi-glazed. So guys, our juice is ready. In my opinion, it's the perfect sauce for the duck breast.